Drip irrigation pipe production line. Line speed, 450 meters per minute. Automatic dripper screening, storage and supply unit. Through the high-speed centrifugal rotation of the disc, to identify the dripper correct position and make it pass rapidly. Automatic dripper conveying, embedding unit. Die head and dripper stick device. Integrated dripper embedding. Pipe molding and dripper stick in a whole line. Fully automated control system reduces labor costs and minimizes errors, ensuring seamless operation from raw material to finished product. Automatic online imaging, monitoring, analyzing and alarming system. This system works online with the rewinder control system to avoid rewinding drip irrigation pipes with unqualified holes. Equipped with an automatic accumulate device, prevent the drip irrigation pipe fall to the ground during the roll change process. Automatically wind the dripper irrigation pipe, winding, slicing, changing, meter, cutting. If you want to know more, feel free to contact us.